In this video, we will talk about the County Aid Resolution Submission Process, also known as CARES. This process is used by counties to submit a resolution in the Project Management and Reporting System, or PMRS. The first action is taken by the local public agency, or LPA, project manager, who must submit the resolution. Begin by navigating to the PMRS homepage at njdotlocalaidrc.com/PMRS. If you haven't already, you may want to bookmark this page. Click the PMRS Sign-In button and enter your username and password on the next screen. Then click Login. Be sure that you are on the Home tab and look in the section titled Workflow in your Court. Click the CARES 1 link in the name column. Note that it is in the LPA resolution step. A new window should pop up. Enter the resolution number and any additional text required by your local government for resolutions. Choose Submit from the drop-down menu and click Take Action. This moves the process to the next step. The next action is taken by the presiding officer, such as the county executive or their delegate. The presiding officer begins by navigating to the PMRS homepage at njdotlocalaidrc.com/PMRS. From here, click the PMRS Sign-In button and enter your username and password on the next screen. Then click Login. From the home screen, in the Workflow in your Court section, click the CARES 1 link in the name column, which is now in the Presiding Officer's Sign step. A new window should pop up. Check to make sure the resolution number, county, project, resolution adoption date, and title of the presiding officer are all correct. If the presiding officer's name is incorrect, select Update Name from the drop-down menu and click Take Action. This updates the name to that of the current PMRS user. When updating the name, this window will close and the process may briefly disappear from your workflow. When you reopen it from the Workflow in your Court, it should have the updated name. Once you have checked all the fields and confirmed the presiding officer's name is correct, select Signed from the drop-down menu and click Take Action. This will capture the presiding officer's signature and the date it was signed, and the process will advance to the clerk. In the final step, the clerk will verify and submit the resolution to NJDOT. The clerk begins by navigating to the PMRS homepage at njdotlocalaidrc.com/PMRS. Click the PMRS Sign-In button and enter your username and password on the next screen. Then click Login. From the home screen, in the Workflow in your Court section, click the CARES 1 link in the name column, which is now in the Clerk step. A new window should pop up. Verify that the resolution number, resolution adoption date, and presiding officer title are all correct. You may enter these if they have not been entered yet. If any of the other information needs to be corrected, select Revise from the drop-down menu and click Take Action to send it back to the presiding officer, who will have an opportunity to make corrections. Otherwise, if the information is correct, select Signed from the drop-down menu and click Take Action. Once signed, the resolution is submitted to the NJDOT Local Aid Assistant Project Manager and Project Manager for review. Unless a revision is required, your role in the resolution submission is now complete.